Your life, my life, and the life of a human being depends on the food that they eat, okay? So you gotta eat the right food. I bought this fruit, okay? This is line that said King Dates, Rich Dates Family Sauce, okay? This is what I bought. Good source of dietary fiber, it's rich in natural sugar, it's zero cholesterol, 100% natural nitropant. It is 500 grams. Costs 247 rupees, folks. For the nutritional information that is given here, this is good for the body. You have walnuts, they will boost your health. So this Akhrout Mahaj, 100 grams costs 220 rupees for 100 grams. Next one, cashew nut, folks. Cashew took that 100 grams is 118 rupees. These are the cashew nut. Here you have walnut, cashew nut, almond, American almonds, okay? So these are almonds. You also get Californian almonds, right? So almonds are really good for the body. These are badam, 100 grams, 109 rupees. Your body will be able to get that energy required for survival only if you eat natural organic food items. Those are fruits, vegetables, and dry fruits, nuts. These are the ones which are naturally available, so you have to eat those natural food items. If you eat human-made food items which are available on the streets, you will end up in the hospital bed, because the end is so important, right? The end of your life, you should not be in the hospital. I don't want you to be in the hospital. Dates, these are the walnuts. I have a cashew nut, we have almonds, okay? These are things that will help you live a good life. If you want to have them, you can taste them, okay? So it's available in Dmart supermarket. These are the ones which will boost your health. So eat fruits and nuts so that you will have a healthy body, healthy life, and you'll be able to lead a successful, healthy life. Thank you so much for watching.